Wow, that's natural support. I never have had noticed there is a ducky doing own prayer and looking when I was praying. Prayer does not require any language. Just do it with Mother Nature. Mother Nature, sun, water, wind, trees, soil, air does not have any identification. It's one energy. We are one. So just do it. Practice that we are one. Love each other. Stop killing, destroying, demolishing. It's not smart. Creative idea is to make peace through love. There is no alternative. Love is only way to peace. Be peaceful, be silent, stand and think and see that ducky is peaceful, because ducky waiting for signal from Mother Nature, but we are not human. We are making our own decision, but Mother Nature never ask us to do any fight, to kill, to destroy. There are lots of alternative way to live peacefully, to make enough space for others. We are living in one world with one support, with one biological phenomenon of this body. So please stop killing. Does not matter. Give them space to live. Oh, may peace prevail in this world. আশা মাইশা ভাষা পানি রে পুয়ালি বাতাসে বাদাম দেখা ছায়া থাকি আমার নিকেও আসিরি আশা মাইশা ভাষা পানি রে হরে কৃষ্ণ হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে হরে রাম হরে রাম রাম হরে আশার মাইশা ভাষা পানি রে পুবালি বাতাসে বাদাম দেখা ছায়া থাকি আমার নিকেও আসিরি আশা মাইশা ভাষা পানি রে